Hey everyone, so today I'm here by this river, Mongolia River. It's a beautiful place. Just wanted to show you around. Haven't been here for a while now because of the coldness and snow outside. But today is a beautiful day and the river is flowing. It's flowing really fast. Other side of the river there's some docks. Sun is beautiful today. It's like a very sunny. So it's nice out. It feels nice to being out here today. Although the water here seems a little bit rough because I guess all the snow is melting. Water level is high, so water is like flowing. I can hear some ducks. Here's a few things about Star City. That is a big catfish. Let's see if I can see some duck over there. It's a little bit windy, or very much windy. Those goose or ducks that look gorgeous. They're not the ducks. I think there could be some other type of goose. There's some facility for kids to play. There's the helicopters. The streets, they're dedicated to some of the people. Each tree is dedicated to somebody. kids are playing over there. And here's a John F. Kennedy, a monumental. So I really did not know that John F. Kennedy announced his intention to enter the West Virginia primary candidate for the presidency of the United States. This decision was motivated. Wow, this is so cool. I really did not know about this. American history is a whole new other chapter. It's a very broad history. And here's something. Here's something for Star City. This apartments, they have the stunning view from their window or their balcony. They have good views. Here's something else. They have a lot of history over here. Even though it's sunny, it's a little bit chilly. See over there. You going in the car? Okay, I'll be right back. Here's a nice patio to enjoy the view. So it's a little bit unstable, but still you can walk on it, and the water is flowing really fast. If you ever come to Star City, West Virginia, Morgantown, you definitely want to visit this place because there's a lot of things to see. It has its history. You can see the natural beauty. You can enjoy this park. It's gorgeous. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next video.